Hello and welcome to Swansway Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved use 2023 Peugeot E-208 E-Style, complemented by the modernised Cumulus Grey paintwork. As a fully electric vehicle, this does offer a range of up to 224 miles, housing your 50 kilowatt an hour battery, and is ideal for both home and public charging as it does house both AC and DC charging capabilities, alongside top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, 16-inch alloy wheels, and the protection of your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate daily essentials and charging cables, followed by the luxury of a part leather upholstery with your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets in the rear. And in the front you do have your multifunctional steering wheel and central touch display for further convenience whilst driving, again with the luxury and comfort of a part leather upholstery. And moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your cockpit display with all of your vital driving data and EV information. You do also have the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control alongside your eco and sport driving modes. And moving across, you do have the selection of your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto alongside your radio stations to stay endlessly entertained. And for those unfamiliar areas, you do also have your navigation system alongside your on-screen driving functions and activation of your parking sensors whilst manoeuvring. For further comfort, you do of course have your on-screen climate control options, followed just below by further driving functions alongside your handy power outlets, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.